pamctry unboxing, showing you the inside. An instruction pamphlet, nicely laminated, nicely wrapped inside, with your hardware tool and assembly required. A right angle tool, screws, all the pieces, unwrap and remove. The instructions are very easy. There are 3 simple steps. You need a drill and a bit, hang up your blanket holder, and show you how to build it. 16 dowels, no glue is needed, just simply place them into every single hole. A close-up look placing in the hole. When all placed in, your next step is to take all the pieces and you're going to start to fit together. After all the dowels are in and they're pushed down, you're going to take 2 of the bars, you're going to put the stuff aside, and you're going to grab a nut and a bolt, the short, 2 of them. You're going to rotate around both parts like so. You're going to take the bolt and the nut and place through. And you're going to start to lock down. You're going to repeat for the next hole, the same. A close-up look with the bolt, the nut, with an optional Phillips screwdriver. On one side, start to lock down, and the other side, hold with the right angle Phillips screwdriver Allen key. Repeat the same steps for the same pieces of the other 2. Grab the crossbars, place in on one side, and when all 4 are in on one side, grab the bar and place on top and close down. Carefully make sure all 4 are in and tap down. Grab the end bars, 2 long bolts, slide through and start to screw down one and then the bottom one. On the same side, you're going to do the same thing, but pay attention to the way the keyholes are facing. When all 4 bolts are nice and secured, it locks everything together. Your last step is to hang on the wall. Make sure you correctly turn it the right way. All 4 keyholes should be facing the correct way. If for some reason one of the keyholes or all 4 keyholes are not correctly facing, take off and turn around. Match each keyhole correctly. Find a spot on your location, your wall, mark and hang. You're given covers, simply peel off and cover each hole. We're going to hang our rack by finding a location and placing the other 3 in. When hung up successfully, I will put a blanket on and show you what it looks like. So if you're looking for a blanket hanger 1 and 2, this product may be something that you're looking for. Check online for further details about the product. And I hope you enjoy your blanket hanger for your hanging needs. Thank you for viewing the furniture accessories. Enjoy your product.